we're taking to Nami Island is we're taking a subway train, and then taking a bus, and then taking a boat to Nami Island. So we're taking it from Seoul Station, as you know. I can't pronounce the other stations so far, but I'll probably vlog when we get there. So we're doing one change in Mangdu Station, and then one more train. So we just got off the train, and now we're taking the taxi or the bus to the Gapyeong Wharf for the ferry. So we'll see where that swings. So we just went through the sign that says welcome to Nami Island, and I think we're looking for the ferry to cross and get to the actual island. So this is the Skyline Zip Wire going up. So instead of taking the ferry, you can actually zip line to the island for 44,000 won, which is, you know, a lot, and then you could die, right? So we're now getting our entry visa. It's like a Republic-ish thing. And so this is my entry visa. It's a ticket. We are officially welcome to the Nami Republic. We're taking the boat now. That one's another boat. We are officially on the island. There's, I think, a gazillion people at the moment, so we'll try to go around and explore the area first and get some food to eat, and then it's party time. Now in one of the walking paths here at Nami Island, where they have like serious balloons in there. And it's actually super crowded right now, and but yeah, it's a great place. You see UNICEF all around labeled on it. At the moment, but there's just a gazillion people, so if you want to take that solo emo shot, probably can't do that. Of them, the duck boats, which I believe that you have. So one thing that's perhaps essential here when you go to Nami Island is good camera skills. The place is so beautiful. It's pretty much like a scene from a Korean novella, because it is. But it's just that for you to capture the beauty of the place, you need to have that person with you, or you need to have the skills for you to capture the beauty of the island. bit of a breather right now, walking around the island. It's been really good so far. The colors are very vibrant, and you can feel that the leaves are turning for autumn. I'm looking for the Winter Sonata statues. They'll be my next stop, and hopefully I find them soon. I have no idea where they are. Okay, I finally found these two guys. They haven't been moving for like a while, so I guess they're frozen. Ha! Winter Sonata. So I've been looking for a breastfeeding Buddha. I can't seem to find it. I've been looking for around half an hour now, and it's just nowhere to be found. I guess it's not that big. I don't know where it is, so I guess I'll just have to give up. Catch the boat going back. So we're now gonna chat with one of the visitors here. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
How was your visit to Nami Island?
It was amazing.
Did you like it?
Absolutely.
Which part in particular did you like?
The trees, the lovely colors.
Okay, what colors have you seen so far?
Talk to someone else.
Okay, well, I guess you didn't really go then. We are now on the boat. So this has been Nami Island. Until the next time, bye.